Good afternoon, us. Good afternoon, everyone, and happy happy new week because it's a beautiful Monday. Yeah, I just came across something, and it is not. This is not the first time. This is not the second time, and this is not the third time. And I know it's not going to be the last time. Concerning teachers, because I too I am a teacher. Yeah. So I don't know concerning teachers giving students assignments with no example, no explanation, and you just give a child an assignment to do, to take home. What if the parents, I know because some parents are very busy, some have assistants that help the kids, and then if the kids is enough to, solve the equations. Because I just noticed that, my daughter brought home assignments, which is quantitative reasons. And I know, okay, quantitative and verbal reasons, for those who can relate and understand how those works inside it are very, very not that difficult, but the way it is. Because how can you just give a child an assignment? Because I asked my daughter, did your teacher explains to you? She said no. Did she show you example of how you're gonna do it and then you're gonna get your answer? She said no. I said, okay, bawala, no problem. I start to ask her. I even make an example of it. You see? Did you see? I even have to show her some example of, give her example of it. Then she should go ahead and make attempt of doing it. Okay. The doing it is not even my problem. My problem then is that I asked her two questions which she said the teacher did not even bother to explain. And this is not the first time. Sometimes she will bring home assignments. Sometimes I will like, Omo kilele now. We are not nobody is perfect and not all are good in mathematics. Me, I'm not that good in mathematics, but at least the little I can do, I will assist her in it. But how the hell, what the heck? I don't know, maybe some parents pass through this and then people, most of you now pass now. Your sister, your siblings will bring home assignments, and at the end of the day, it will look, I don't understand why will a teacher give a student assignment. You will give a child an assignment, you will not bother to explain, and you think say they have some miraculous people or parents that will help them at home. I don't understand that you have some people that will assist them at home. Yes, fine, you will have someone that will assist them at home, but you as a teacher, you being paid for, and then you understand the assignment. Why not give them an hint? Why not give them a hint on it so that if they get home, it will not look as if say they did not teach them anything. Because I can't just give a child home assignment and I did not tell her, okay, this plus this is equal to, you understand? Like for instance, because when I look into it, I see that it was addition of numbers, right? It was addition of numbers. So I got to like tell her, okay, 10 plus 3, it makes it 13, right? 9 plus it makes it 13. Then 17 plus what number that is missing here that make it 20. At least you will give a form of example. Even if you cannot, give them a hint that when I get home, if I ask her, do you understand it? If she say yes, then I will give her example or I will give her work to do on it. You can't just give a child an assignment. You just go like, what if there's nobody to help them, in assist, especially all those, what's it called, little kids. You give a child an assignment, no explanation. I don't know because I came to realize that most, in fact, not even only these ones, most of the assignment given to them in school, bring it home. You will give a child at least, you will first make an example in the class, give them work to do. Then you repeat that same work you give to them in the class, take home for an assignment. You can't just give the child assignment, take it home like that without explaining to the child. Okay, what if the mother is not there? The parent is not there, or the guidance is not there. So why will you give a child an assignment without explaining? I don't know. And teacher, you can do better than this now. I don't know why some schools or teachers are doing like that. Yes, you guys can do better than this. Even though you are trying to what's it called? What if even though you are trying to get to know the ability of the child, to know how serious and then intelligent the child is, that one is normal, it's better. But at least give an example, a workings for them to understand when they get home. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, kì í ṣe gbogbo èèyàn ló máa ná ọpọlọ àti ní òun fẹ́ máa ṣe assignment fún àwọn ọmọ kò possible na. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, you guys can do better, please. I don't know, maybe most of you parents notice this. It's too much. I was just pissed off today, sha. Thank you very much.